And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
Welcome back to Channel 5 News this morning. Your time is 6:43. It is all about the fog this morning. We've been tracking thick fog across much of the valley all morning long. So we're going to show you exactly how foggy it is in McAllen there at the corner of Jackson and Nolana. You see traffic is starting to pick up, but the fog is still draped out there. So let's go back to the map and I'll show you exactly how thick it is in McAllen, right around a mile visibility. Now, when you get into Weslaco, we're at a mile, but look at this. The farther east you go, down to a half mile in Raymondville, Harlingen, and Brownsville, down to near nothing on the island because of that thick sea fog developing and settling in pretty nicely overnight and into this morning. And the sea fog will actually last for much of the morning and into part of the afternoon before things start to clear. The rest of the valley, you're going to see clearing through mid-morning. Look at Edinburgh, right around 3 miles. As you head west, if you're going from like Mission into Rio Grande City or something like that, you're going to see just patchy fog there this morning, but you could still see some pockets where it is a little bit thick. So just be careful out there. Give yourself enough drive time and watch for people who are jogging or biking along the side of the road and maybe even just walking. So they may not be wearing reflective gear like that. So please do that if you are doing your exercises this morning. We have a dense fog advisory for Hidalgo, Cameron, and Willacy County through 9 o'clock this morning. Temperatures pretty warm and muggy out there. 74 degrees in McAllen, 71 in Brownsville, 73 in Harlingen, 72 degrees right here in Weslaco. Your dew point value, yeah, very humid category. We're in the low 70s and we have those light winds. It's what allowing for that fog to really settle in. Today we're headed up to 84 degrees. That's about 14 degrees above average for this time of year, coming in just shy of our record of 86 that was set in 1988. I don't think we're having any record-breaking heat. We did yesterday in Brownsville. They tied their record of 85 degrees, so it did warm up. Now, we could see a few showers throughout the day today. We're already tracking a few, so we're going to zoom into that in Hidalgo County right now. Just leaving the West Moorfield Road area right there at the corner of West Montecristo, moving to the north. So if you're in that area, you'll see a little bit of light rain, and also the roads may be a little bit wet from rain earlier this morning. So really, other than that, just an isolated shower now kind of moving to the north of FM 490 this morning, but really falling apart as we speak. Here is the stationary boundary. It is situated just north of the valley, meaning it's not moving, and it's not going to move into the valley. In fact, it'll lift back to the north as it it comes together with this other cold front behind it. Now, what's going to happen over the next few days is we're going to continue to pump in this moisture, so we will see the fog development each night into the early morning, impacting your morning commutes. So just be ready for that. But we're going to see a cold front move through the valley. It'll arrive Thursday afternoon, taking temperatures from the upper 70s to the low 50s that night. A few spotty showers with rain chances near 40%. It's also going to be very breezy. Same thing goes for Friday, but check it out. It's a little bit cooler. 64 will be your daytime high, and it is going to be cloudy, folks. By the weekend, if you don't like the cold weather, don't worry. This is deep South Texas. It changes before you know it. So warm front this weekend will bring temperatures back above average. I'm talking about possibly 12 degrees above the norm for the first day of January. Spotty showers again through this weekend, so just have your umbrella on standby. You don't want to get caught out in the rain. It'll be brief though. Light east to southeast winds out there along the coast. So we have that dense fog advisory again, and that thick fog is going to last through the first half of the day. Then we'll have a light chop building on the bay with nearshore waters at 2 to 4 feet. High temperatures today, 84 degrees, and then later on tonight, 66 will be your low. That fog will redevelop and last through the early morning hours for your commute tomorrow, so be ready for that. 83 degrees is where we're headed tomorrow, and then 78. It will turn breezy with more showers than the forecast, courtesy of that cold front, dropping us to 53 degrees Thursday night. So get ready for a chilly night and then a cool day on Friday, 64. It'll still be breezy, cloudy, a little bit damp out there. Now, as we head into the weekend, there's the warm up, 78 degrees. It will be breezy and warmer with a shower possible Saturday and Sunday. Now, check it out. New Year's Eve, 65 degrees. So yeah, pretty mild night out there to ring in the new year. And then we're back to 82. That's 12 degrees above the average for this time of year for the first day of 2017. The second day looks just as warm, but a little bit more sunshine with 82 there on the board. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.